Before Jobber, my business was, well, honestly, it was scattered all over the place. I was very messy. I had ways to communicate with customers and I could schedule appointments, but it was never all in one place. And that made it way too easy for me to lose important details. Customer requests, little notes, work history, everything would disappear within a couple of days. I had a list of customers, but no way to track what they had done, when it happened, or what they had paid. And sure, I got by when I was the only one doing the work, but I realized really quickly that if I didn't find a better system, I was going to be stuck doing all of the work forever by myself. No growth, no scalability, and no freedom. But now, thank God, everything runs through one system. And the crazy part is that some jobs actually get quoted, booked, scheduled, and paid for without me ever talking to the customer one time. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how that can work. Jobber is the brains of my business. It's my CRM, the calendar, the payment processor, my customer history. Everything is in one place. Every appointment, every dollar collected, every note about the customer's preferences, all lives there in Jobber. It's not just a fancy address book. It's actually the hub where everything else can connect as well. And that's important because the tools that I use that I can plug into Jobber make it even more powerful. So here's where the customer journey starts. A customer finds us maybe through social media, or maybe they call the number on my truck. Maybe it's a referral. If they call, Jill's office answers the phone and they're able to put the information straight into the system, actually through ResponsiBid. From there, ResponsiBid takes it over. This tool was a game changer for me because the pricing is one of the hardest and most time-consuming parts of the business to automate. Now the customers can get an instant and accurate quote based on exactly the parameters that I set up. The square footage of the home, the service type, a few other details that are customized, and ResponsiBid builds packages that can upsell and cross-sell without me having to pitch anything. And the cool thing is they have a tool called CrewCal that looks at the crew's routes and availability and recommends the best appointment times and the drive times included that can fit the schedule perfectly. ResponsiBid talks directly with Jobber so that when the customer picks the package and their date, that job is booked in Jobber automatically right away. Now, booking the job is great, but that's not where the real money comes in, right? The follow-up is where the things get interesting. Now, if you ask me, follow-up is the most critical part of the customer lifecycle at every different part. It's the difference between a one-time $200 job and a customer who's worth thousands of dollars over the next couple of years. Jobber makes it ridiculously easy now to follow up. They have quote follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks, appointment reminders 7 days before or 2 days before. I think it's customizable even. Invoice reminders so that if something's unpaid, they're not gonna go unnoticed. But here's where it gets really fun. The marketing suite. It lets me send seasonal or service-specific reminders. If you've got your windows cleaned 2 months ago, you'll get my quarterly special with 20% discount before that 3-month mark hits. And yes, that's your coupon is about to expire, and that subject line gets open more than anything else. And then I have an integration with SendJim, so I can drop postcards in the mail to their neighbors after I clean their house. Or I can send a friendly voicemail to check in without having to pick up the phone and say, hey, how you doing? This is Ben from Blue Ladder. I just want to make sure your windows still look sparkly. The point is, I'm saying top of mind. And when they think of window cleaning or pressure washing, they're going to think about me. All of this, from that first quote up until the follow-ups months later or even years later, is all powered by Jobber at its core. ResponsiBid keeps selling for me. SendJim keeps my name in front of people. Jobber keeps that all organized in one place and tracks every response. The systems work together so well with Jobber as the hub that there's rarely any weeks where I don't already have some booked jobs. The reminders are automatically sent out, payments are automatically collected, and I never personally have to touch a single part of that process. It's all automated. If you're running solo, that means peace of mind. If you're scaling a team, it means consistent communication across the board, and details will never be lost between the employees, or at least it's very hard to do. So here's the bottom line. You need systems. Hustle will grow your business, but systems are the only way to scale it. And for me, Jobber is the brain for all those systems to be built on. If you want to stop running your business from sticky notes and start running it like an actual business, then you should definitely try Jobber. I use it every single day in my business, and that's the reason why I can grow without losing my mind completely. Use the link in my description and you can get a free trial and a discount on your first few months. I'll make sure to keep the link there for you. You'll never regret it.